Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu was-salam ala Rasulillah. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can create this modern house in Revit. So I have to open a new project in let's say architectural template, and first of all we will set the units, which I prefer meter for this type of structures or this type of modeling. So just click here and you can check to here, change it to meter and 2 decimals. Okay, and again okay. After that, go to manage and additional setting, click temporary dimensions, take it face of core. Okay, and let me set the levels first. Click on one of the elevations, select this one, this grid, and let's say the down story, which is ground floor, is 3.2. After that, go to architecture levels and make some other levels, because our building is 2-story, 1, 2, and we have a parapet. Anyhow, we can by pick lines, let's say this is 3 meters like this, and after that we have a parapet which is let's say 1.2, and offset it like this. Okay, cancel. After that we can rename. I'm sorry for that. I will select this one, so I have to delete them. Yes. Okay, we can double click here and let's say SOG, which is slab on grade, and double click here, ground floor, GFS, ground floor slab. Yes, you see it will change here and other here and here. And level 3, let's say first floor FFS, which is first floor slab. Yes, and let's name it this one parapet. Okay, that's very good. After that, go to level 1, which is SOG we have here, and go to walls. As you see, it's not unconnected. We have to till ground floor slab, and this one we want to core from exterior, dimensions like this, and let's say this is 17.5, and this one I will consider this is 8 meters, so this one is 3.5 and this is 4.5, or I can make it 4x4, it doesn't matter. So 3.5. After that, what I have let's say 1.5 meter like this, and I have 4.5 like this, and after that I can complete can go back one time, no problem. I will make another one. I will delete this one because it's inclined. So again, go to walls, the same as before, like this and like this, and go like this. So it's very good. Now we have this one. If you go to 3D, we will see something like this, which is we say we have this one. By the way, I think there is another thing, so it's this one I think is more than for the downstairs, this one more than the upper, so I will make this one, I will change the dimensions. Anyhow, go to SOG and I will change the dimensions. Just select this one. What we have, let's say we have 3 meters, this one, and this one we have this. Okay, by the way, we can change to when we select a wall, we can change it, switch to from inner to outer, just like click here, and it will give you the outer. So the outer dimension is 3.4. You see this one again, the same procedure, and we have this too. Okay. What else we have? What we have now? We can just select this one and copy it. This copy, not this copy. This one copy, and after that paste it. Align to selected level. Let's say GFS. Okay, and we can go back to 3D model. You will see something like this, but we should bring this in this way, about let's say 1.5 meter. So go to this level and click here and change this one, change back from 3 meters to something like 4 meters maybe. Yeah, so now we have something like this. As you see here, we have something like this. Okay, that's very good. What we have else, we have to model these and the rest, this one and this one. But first of all, let's see the parapet. We have a parapet for this parapet also. So again, I can select this one and I can copy it and paste it to align and select it to parapet. Now if you see, we have 3 things, but it should not to be to the parapet. We have to change this one, because the parapet is the level of the finishing. So we have base, we have first floor, and the top level is, let's say, apply. Okay, and the top level we have top offset 0. We don't have any offset. Yeah, it's just like this. We need this one. As you see, it's like this. We have parapets. We have the base level is this, and we see we have the top offset here. I will make it 0, this offset, and maybe for this one also we have. Yeah, we don't have any offset here. No problem. Okay. Let me see it from the top. Yeah, it's just like this. So that's very good. After that, what I have to model this kind of slab and this kind of slab and this extrusion. We will make this with an extrusion. Okay. Okay, so just let me start to model this. We have from this one, we have an offset. If we look at wall, here we have about 20 or 30 centimeters. It goes outside, and we will model this. Anyhow, so what we can do, we can go to component and model in place. Okay, model in place, and we can say, let's say floors. It doesn't matter. Okay, and set up plane, which pick a plane. Okay, and we will pick this plane, and we what we can do now, we can go to front view. Let me see the height. The height is the below this one, so I will make an extrusion. Let's say from this point first. It's just like this. Yeah, it's about something like here, or not. Yeah, it's still the level 2, so still here, but I can change the sorry, to the fine, and this one to here wireframe, so I can see better. let's say this one, and I think till here. I'll change the dimensions, no problem. Yeah, it's about 1 meter from here, and what we have this dimension, and maybe here, and I will bring this, I'm sorry, Control Z. I can give annotation, annotate. So this one, from this to this, I think from this point is better. And just click it and move it to this point. Okay, no problem. From the center is this dimension, so I'll change this dimension. We set about 30 and we have 10, so 0.4, just like this. Again, the same procedure. We have what we have. After that, we can delete this one, and I can give another annotation from this point to, let's see here, it's about 1.2. How can I change it? I can click here and click here after that, and change it to 1 meter or maybe less. After that, I can delete this one. Okay, I'll offset this one by 0.2. Okay, 0.2 meters, which is 20 centimeters. After that, I'll fix these problems here also. Okay, but I forgot to remove this one to make 0, so I'll make 0, and after that make these 2 lines, and again I have to delete these 2 extra lines. After that, trim and extend for these 2, and trim and extend for these 2, and I can say okay. After that, go to 3D view, just select this one, and I can drag it out to here, and go to shaded or realistic. You see, you can see this kind of decoration. Okay, I can take this a little bit out so as to be clear more. Okay, what I have now, I can make this one because we have two different materials here. I can make an extrusion like this, and let me first complete this extrusion, or make this one maybe better. Okay, I will make this one. Of course, this not all of it, not decoration. There's a wall. I'm 100% sure that there's a wall like here. So how can I make this? I can go to ground floor slab, and what I have to do, just let me finish the model of this one, and go to ground floor slab. After that, from architecture, you can make a roof, you can make a floor, whatever you want, and we can pick lines just like this, and just like this. Yes, let me see if it goes outside. Yes, this comes outside from here, so it's only just from this line. So what we have to do, we have to complete, like, let's say from here, and we have 1.2 meters or 1 meters. Click anywhere. After that, trim and extend, trim and extend. It's just like this, and our floor, let's change it to duplicate first, to something about 20 millimeters, 20 centimeters, sorry, 20 centimeters. Okay, edit here, from 0.4 change it to 0.2, and okay. So after that, okay, here, yes, what we have now, you see we have this kind of slab, but this difference is very small. We have something more here. So as we said here, we have this is small amount. We can bring it down a little bit, but this is the extrusion, so I have to modify this, edit in place, and change it to wireframe. Again, click here, edit extrusion. We can select this and bring it down with arrow key, and just click finish, finish again, and we see, yeah, but it this one is comes over this one, so we have to change the roof, edit boundary, and this again, use arrow key. We see from here, now it's from this dimension, we can bring it, so just click finish, we say yes, now it's okay. We can see it from realistic. I don't want to, yeah, I don't want to save now, but I think it's these two are the same level. So what we have to do, we have to go to Jeff slab and edit boundary, and align this line to this one. Just click OK and say yes. Anyhow, so we could do this slab. So we finish this one, and it remains only this part. Okay, how we can do, we can click from here, or we can make another model in place. So let me go to another drawing, component, model in place, any type of it, no problem, generic model, let's say, okay, and set a plane, pick a plane, okay, and this is the plane that we want to work with it. After that, extrusion, go to south view, yeah, and make an extrusion, still the top, yes, from this slab till the top, okay, and this not fit with this one. We have a small amount of dimension, let's say like this, or another side, yeah, another side is not like, just like this, so just click OK and finish the model. We see after that, go to 3D view, which is something like this. As you see, it's just like this. After that, I can make this extrusion, so I can give it a material later easily. I'm sorry. Again, architectural component, model in place, generic model, okay, set a plane, pick a plane, okay, and pick this plane. After that, go to south elevation, let's say we have extrusion, okay, no problem, yeah, we set a plane, line is, or we can pick just pick line is like this, I think it's just like this, it's okay, yeah. So after that, trim and extend this line with this with this with this, I'm sorry, Control Z, this with this, I should click inside, not outside, and this with this, and cancel. Let me see this area. Yeah, it goes outside, so this one we should align this one to this. It's just like this. And about the extrusion, let's say we have 0.05, which is 5 centimeters. Okay. Again, for the another side, we have this like wood material. Again, we have to make another thing, so we can create extrusion, pick a plane, let's say, you know, this plane, let's say, no, this plane, yes. And after that, what we have inside, I think, yeah, here we have just like this. So we have pick lines, this line, this line, this line, and this line, and this line maybe. Yeah, it's very good. After that, trim and extend. We need another line here, so just click here and trim and extend, trim and extend, trim and extend, trim, extend, trim, extend for all the other sides, just like this, and click finish. We finish this and this and this. We finish all of it. We have a parapet here, and now we make this one, but let me finish it first. Go to S or G. We see we didn't finish this house, which should be 20 meters. So just click here and by 2.5 meters, and just click here and let's say click here. After that, align this, align to this, this to this. Okay, cancel. After that, escape, go to 3D view. You see it's just like this, but now we know that this wall is not like other walls, so we have to say unconnected, and for the height, let's say 2.2 meters. Okay, it's just like this. So we see here, we see everything here. Okay, I think we have some problems here with, let's see, good wireframes. Yeah, we have to raise this one till the level 2. So what we have to do, we have to just click here and edit in place, and edit extrusion, these two, or we can just align this line to this line, and after that we can give it annotation from this line to this line, which is should be, after that click here and change this one to 0.2 and delete this annotation line and click finish model. But now we have to change these lines, or this decoration also. So change in place, click here and edit extrusion, again align this to that, finish to that, this one, edit extrusion, align this to that, finish. Yeah, finish model. After that, it's just like this. Yeah, so great. It's a very good model tool. Now we have to put some windows here, and we have to put this shape here also. We will make this one. Go to SOG first and give it a door here. So select doors, load families, and here Where's my doors? Yeah, here we can bring a double door from residential, maybe. Let's say this one maybe, or don't know if you have another one. Let's go to this. No, this the accessories. Let's say this one. Okay, open. You have to download your own favorite door. So I will bring all of them, and I will click here. You see now it will open to the outside. This opens to the inside. So just click here. After that, click here and change. You can change the dimensions. What dimensions you are prefer. Let's say this one. After that, you can just move it a little bit. You can change this dimension for something about 0.3. Sorry. So you can change that, or you can just Control Z. Now we can change this dimension to something 0.3. After that, we can change the door here. Yeah, I think now is very good. After that, we have to put some windows. As we see here, we have a big window here and a small window here. So windows, again, load family, windows, which type of window we have. Let me bring this one and open. I want to just allow this dimension. Okay. Put it here. And I'll change its dimension for something, the width maybe 2.5 and the height maybe 2 meters or 1.8, and just click apply and OK. Okay, so that's very good. Again, what we have another window, I think, here. So go to Windows, again, load family, Windows, which type of window that we prefer. We can bring this type, or which one you prefer. Let's say this one. Oh, double click, and I will bring the last one, maybe this one, this dimension. Okay, and I can put it here. I'll arrange for this one, so it's yes, it's near the edge. But now we have a problem that, yeah, you see, this decoration closes the wall, so I have to select this one. But first, let me arrange this dimension. So give it a notation. Annotate. We want this distance. Let's say, I don't know. 0.3. I'm sorry, not like this. 0.25 I think is okay. Just delete this one, and now I have to change this one. So go to South View. What is it? Yeah, South View, and select this one for everything. Change to Fine and change to Wireframe, and change, select this one, edit in place, and this one, select this one, edit extrusion, and I want to just pick these outer lines that makes the window appear. And we need another one. We have to pick this line also. So it's okay, I think, or not. Continue. We have a gap here, so I'll fix this one by trim and extend. Finish. Yeah. So finish model, and now you can see the window. So that's great. Now we can see the window. So the thing that this is the thing that we want. By the way, here, let me see it. No, it's just straight like this. Yes, yeah. So it's good. After that, I have another window here. So go to FFS, which is first floor slab. Go to Windows, fixed windows maybe, or just the one that I brought here. This one, this big window. I have another one here, so I can make a duplicate, okay, and okay. I will change its dimension as I want, but first let me arrange this inside this decoration. So I have to bring it here. Let me change its dimension. Its dimension, let's say 0.8 by 2 meters is apply, and okay. For this, I want to see it from 3D. Oh, I have to change this one. Why I put here these two windows by mistake? I don't know why. Still it's 0.9, so it's from parapet. Okay, well, we will fix these two by selecting these two and copy, align to selected levels and GFS. Okay, just like this. After that, we can delete these two. We don't need any more. But again, we have, I think we have a window here. Yeah, again we have to deduct the this window from decoration that we have. Okay, just select this decoration, edit in place, go to front view. This is make it wireframe. Select this one, not this one, this one. Yeah, this one should be, but again I have to bring it down here first. Finish first this one, and from 0.9 let's say 0.3 0.6. Again this one supposed to be in the same level. Can bring it here, and about, yeah, I think it's okay. So after that I can select this decoration and edit in place. Select this one, edit extrusion, pick lines, just pick the outer lines. Now this deduct from this one from the selection, so trim and extend, trim and extend, just click and finish the model. You see it's just like this. After that we can select this one and go to edit type. You see what we have, interior trim. We can, what we can say, if we or from here maybe this the models, the thing that we have, the divisions. This is the material, and this is the construction, and wall closes by the host. Or you see You can change whatever you want. Okay, go to 3D, change this one to shaded or to realistic. I think now everything is okay. But the thing that we have these two decorations also. Again, I have to make these two. So what I have to do, I can first I can edit profile. Let me make this one in this way. So profile, go to front view. You see we have some lines like this. This one is for this one. After that I have another one. Let me first say SL for split this and trim and extend this part and this part also. After that I can bring another line like just like this. I will select this dimension and give it a dimension about 0.2, 0.3 is okay. So let's say this is 0.3. Again, this one from this line is 0.3, and again this one is 0.3. After that this one again is 0.3, I think. Click this line and give it 0.3, this line and give it 0.3, and click here and give it 0.3. So that's very good. Just click, yeah, you see now we have this kind of decoration. We can make this one its thickness, we can change this its thickness so as to be more decorative, or we can model another one for this type of decoration. So this at all is the thing that we want. After that, let's go to SOG and make a roof here, floor, sorry. Pick lines just like this. After that, trim and extend. Trim and extend, and here again trim and extend. Just finish and go to 3D. Yeah, you see everything now is good, but I think the only thing that remains this part of railing we have. We can edit this wall as well, and again we can give it something like this. After that, SL for split, trim and extend, trim and extend. Select this wall, let's say this is 0.5, and again this maybe 0.5, and this one maybe 0.3, I don't know. Finish. Yeah, that's very good. After that we can go to parapet, or before parapet we can go to FF3S, and we can go to railing. We can click here to here, cancel, finish it, see it from the this one, and you see the base offset. We have to give it a value of 0.5, just like this one, or I think 0.3. It was 0.3, not 0.5. Yeah, so that's very good, and everything now it's like the model, like this house, but it remains two simple thing, or three things. First we have to put a door here, so go to doors, we can load some families, or this one may works. Someone here and another one here. Just like this. Yeah. After that I have to make a wall here. So go to walls. What is it? Pick lines. Yeah. We can pick some lines like Control Z. Sorry. What is this one? Go to GFS. Yeah. GFS and wall. The height is, we have with height, and the let's give it unconnected, and its height is about 0.2. I think is enough. We can draw lines like these for representing this wall, and cancel again. Is it written? Yeah. So this is this type of this kind of wall, but here it extends till the end. So how can I fix this? By align this to this. Sorry, cancel. Align tool, align this line to this line. No problem. I think there's some problem with this. Anyhow, I can make this one 0, or again I can make this distance also 0. It's just like this, and I can go to GFS, and I can edit profile. Open in view. I'm sorry, close this one, not in view. I have to from here, I have to change from here, and this distance I want to make 0, and again I want to give annotation, this to this. Let's say this we have 0, or not 0, it should be, we give another notation, annotate this distance to the outer distance, individual reference, entire wall. I can use arrow key to fix this problem, just like this, and from here I want to select from this face, and after that change it to 0. Yeah, now it's very good, and I think everything is finished now, and everything is okay. And about the height, you can give it 0.3, 0.4, whatever we want. Let's say 0.3. Yeah, it's just like this. After that, we see we have this glass. We can make it later, because I don't have this kind of railing. I don't have family for them. So that's all in this tutorial. After that, we have to give some materials. If we go to for materials, we have for this one edit in place, this one selected, and by category and give it a white material. Yes, this white material, finish, and this wall again give it a material which is again white. Okay, but because we have only one type of wall, it will change every walls to white. This floor we have to edit type, and we have to change the material also to something white. Okay, apply. Okay, we can select this one and edit in place, select again from graphic here. What we have some materials. We have some materials like, I don't know which one we can use. I think this one or this one maybe. I think this added to here. Yeah, this one. So apply. Okay, you see here, but I don't want to put materials here. I'll put materials in 3D Max. So just click finish. I want to put the materials in 3D Max if I want. So this is the model that we want. We can save it whatever you want. I'll try to import to give it materials. And let's see, projects, Revit program. We have modern house. Okay, just click save, and that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.